Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy burritos. Start by warming tortillas and prepping fillings like black beans, grilled chicken, and roasted peppers. Use whole wheat tortillas for fiber and measure portions to control calories. Layer ingredients with a spread of hummus or salsa for flavor without excess oil. Roll snugly and toast briefly to seal. Serve with a side salad or pico de gallo for freshness. Choosing fillings defines both flavor and nutrition of your burrito. Pick lean proteins like grilled chicken or turkey, or use seasoned tofu and black beans for plant-based protein. Add roasted vegetables, low-fat cheese, and whole grains like brown rice for balance. Watch sodium in prepackaged salsas and opt for fresh lime juice and cilantro. Measure portions to about 1 cup total filling to keep calories reasonable and maintain texture. Toast seeds for crunch. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep, these leak-proof containers make transportation painless and keep fillings fresh. They stack neatly, seal tightly, and fit portion sizes for grab-and-go lunches. If you appreciate small kitchen wins, consider them for burrito meal prep and controlling portions. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In assembly, layer by moisture level to avoid soggy burritos. Spread hummus, then rice, proteins, veggies, and salsa. Fold the sides in, roll tightly from the bottom, and press to seal each burrito. Toast seam side down in a skillet or grill for a crisp finish. To store, wrap tightly in foil or airtight containers and refrigerate up to 4 days or freeze for longer storage with thawing tips. Heat evenly before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.